Hey, it's 1, 2, 5, 10, 5, 2, 6, 6, 22. Young Money, Mid Wild, Mid Star, Mid Latitude, Mid Working on of the space frames attraction of the frictional flightal upbringing of the submarinerizational sedimentationals fossilizationals ionical ion separational bone age of the bones fossilizationals rings of the celestial corner centers of the colorizationals spectralized colors of the surfacial site of engraftmental enlayerment of deposital upbringings of strongalizational jaggedal refalling or reshines of an upper latitudinal faded total belief on the falling of latitudinals different choreographical remeetments of the colorization, backgroundable blades and shapements of the rebraining of the body or math matricals of the planetarial inbuiltments on the incenses of the air to mechanical, mechanical to air items of the body or air ventilizationals, vortexal frames of diffractional, shattermental, outlastmental, enlivemental, solidization, neuralizational, planetary, spine, spiral, bend of the magnetical curve on the turning or one time little heights of a jagged oxidational movement of the gas ether retissement of the unisonical autumn prism moistures of the motorizational burn beat redefinement and definement of the crest curves reactment to the creational body favors body flares of which was open in three different ways from a choreographical way from a refractional way to a still picture motion of a different risational and memorizational eye sense first creational auto angleable sense of enfigurement of the history of those telltale happenings of brilliance, the balance of those deposits of inflictional touch of the incrementable additional square engraftmental enshapamental insensibles face, which would be a measurable rule of the nature's naturalisticals yawling of the rawling or climations of the mega climates and magical bodies of the spirit species, space species, windle insensimental inbuilt mental respacemental shapes of the world sensories walking of symbols of the space frames airframes refractories conveyors of canoes of water reports of the earth's times body clockital presence of earth resetment of restartment of rebringness of broadness of a final form redirectional captional, exceptional, recompletional, mind bender, encrypted little crawler of the mind lies floating and the mind sleeping, or is the mind, when the mind is sleeping, why is it flying to where when you're thinking about perfection, but yet when you're thoughting, your encarvement is a time age suspensional worldwide wisdom of the slanted direction of the solar system inside the galaxy of the Milky Way over non-known universe of entouchments of in neutralizational finements of the zappers opposite re-inclines of the up and down, down to the up,